Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. In this series, we're going to be looking at the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle. And this is a rectangle here. A rectangle is a quadrilateral, a shape with four sides. A shape with four sides. That's a quadrilateral. And it's a rectangle because it has four corners with 90 degrees with right angles, all right? And then it has a length and a breadth, all right? So this is the length and this is the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Okay, that is a rectangle. Okay, then if you have the length to be equal to the breadth, then that becomes a square, all right? But this is a rectangle. And then one other thing we should note is that in some textbooks and some countries, we don't have it as breadth, the shortest side of the rectangle. We have it as width, all right? We have it as width. So whether you have breadth or width, we are talking about the same thing. We are talking about what? The same thing. So breadth is the same thing as width. Thank you. All right, having said that, let's talk about the formula for calculating the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is given by the formula length times breadth. Length times breadth, or like I said, breadth is the same thing as width, so that means you could also have it as length times width. Length times width, so it's the same thing. So you multiply that and then you have the area of the rectangle. The longest side, the dimension of the longest side times the value of the shortest side, that will give you the area of the rectangle. And then another thing you should note is the unit. So if we measure this in centimeters, that means we're going to have centimeters times centimeters, and that will be in centimeters squared. So the unit for calculating area is squared, is in square, all right? So if you're working with meters, that means you're going to have meters times meters, you have meters squared. If you are working with inches, you're going to have inches times inches, and that will be inches squared. So here, centimeters times centimeters, you have centimeters squared. So your area is always measured in units squared or square units, all right? So you can call this square centimeter, all right, or centimeter squared. So take note of that as you do the calculation. So we'll go over now to take some examples and then see how to calculate the area of a rectangle using real life scenarios. All right, do well to follow this series. See you in the next video. Bye.